Chief. Hi now, pup.
Last night, Ezengwa and I went out. We were invited by the man, Dr. Alban himself, to a concert he was giving nearby.
Yeah, Ezengwa and wife. This is going to be our meeting point. So see you guys soon.
Though we have never met in person, we have been friends on social media for quite some time.
It's your life.
So we were looking forward to meeting him and having a good night out.
Stop with me, stop. Oh, it's my life.
When we arrived, Dr. Alban came to pick us himself, handed us some VIP tickets, and offered us some food and drinks before the show got started. And right when it was time to go inside, we went to look for our seats. We had a great view on the stage and were ready to have fun. The concert was amazing, singing Halleluja. But to our surprise, there were some other celebrities from the 90s performing that night. Remember this song? Don't Mind My Singing. Hathaway was also on stage. Honestly, we were reviving our memories. And another group from the 90s, Alcazar, performed for us. All thanks to Dr. Alban, we had the chance to enjoy this lovely outing and take some amazing selfies as well. Thanks for having us and for being such a cool person and friend.